Okay, this is a lesson, it's still 9.7, but I wanted to address what happens when you have a negative a. So we have negative 3r squared minus 17r minus 10. And so there's just one additional step. The first thing we need to do is factor out that negative 1. So we have 3r squared minus, actually that becomes plus 17r, and that becomes plus 10. Then we're back to, again, multiplying a times c, which gives us 30, and then we plug in our 17 down here. So if I think of, well, what multiplies to give me 30 and adds together to give me 17, it has to be 15 and 2. So since this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, I'm going to go ahead and make my 4 monomials, and I'm going to keep this sort of as just a thought in the back of my mind. So 3r squared plus 15r plus 2r, and then plus, I'm going to bring down my 10. Now, I'm going to take these two and these two, and I'm going to factor those. So let's bring down our screen just a little bit. Okay, if I take 3r out of both of these, I have r plus 5. And again, I can check that by distributing it back in and seeing if that's what it ends up equaling, which it does. Then I'm going to take 2 out of this, so I have r plus 5. And does 2 times r equal 2r? Yes. Does 2 times 5 equal 10? Definitely. So I've got these. Now, what I do is I look for the binomial that they have in common, which is r plus 5. And after I do that, I just cross it out so that I don't get confused. And it helps me also to see what's left over. So I have 3r plus 2. So I'm going to go ahead and create that 3r plus 2. And then, oh yeah, I have my negative 1. So I'm going to put that on the outside. And this is your answer.